A major shift is coming to downtown Orlando this month. The eastbound I-4 exit ramp to Amelia Street is shifting to a temporary location. As soon as the morning of April 3rd, drivers traveling eastbound on I-4 who wish to get to Amelia Street will now drive past Amelia Street and take this temporary ramp. At this traffic signal, drivers can choose to turn left onto Colonial Drive or make a U-turn here. After making the U-turn, drivers can travel south on Huey Avenue to reach Amelia Street, or continue on Amelia Street to Garland Avenue and eastbound Colonial Drive. This interim traffic pattern is necessary to continue construction of the new eastbound I-4 travel lanes through downtown. Be sure to pay attention and use extra caution when driving in this area. Stay informed about the project by logging on to i4ultimate.com. The website has information about the entire 21-mile corridor and what changes are being made. On the website, you can sign up for route-specific email and text alerts and our monthly e-newsletter.